Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. This is my 2016 Tesla Model X. This Tesla Model X has free supercharging for the life of the car, and it currently has 129,000 miles, and I drive around 200 miles a day, so the miles will be going up. Today, I'm going to show you how much it costs to replace the top glass on the wing door. That glass over there on the right door was the one replaced, and this one is the original. If you look at the original, all this rubber is no longer there. It's falling apart. The rubber on the new door, brand new, looks pretty good. Now, I was driving and I believe a rock hit that and cracked it, so I got it replaced. So all they did was take all this apart, and the window came in one piece. They took the old one off, unscrewed it, screwed the other one back in, and that was it. So it was all one piece. They didn't have to glue anything, so it was pretty easy for them. All right, so here's what it costs. The total, $1,290.47. They only charged me $68 labor and the cost for that whole window there. I only had to pay $100 because I had a $100 deductible, and it was through Progressive. Now, if you don't have a $100 deductible, then it's going to cost you obviously more, but it worked out fine for me. Everybody who owns these Teslas know that windows break on these all the time. So maybe you need to adjust your deductible according to how much you drive. That is all for today. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I would appreciate it if you guys support the channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.